Hi everyone, we've got something different. So every once in a while, you guys know me, I like to change things up a little bit. So I'm looking at another subscription, and I was looking at a bunch because there are so many out there. So no, this is not a new Simon Says. I'm just using the box. I covered it up because the box that it comes in is huge. So the one that I chose is the new Tonic. And it's not new, but it's new to me. So I looked at the Tonic Craft Kit from Tonic Studios, and this is the one that I chose. I've been scoping them out for a while, and I just really like the kit. To me, it's a good value. That's what really pulled me in. It's like Hero Arts is a good value. I never look at what you could receive because that's all on perspective. What I like, somebody else will not like. Okay, so let's break this kit down. So this is the first one that I received, and in this one you got 4 jars of their pure sheen glitter. Look at that. Oh, we can sing. So of course you get aqua. You're going to get a purple organza. You're going to get green meadow. And you're going to also finally get turquoise. And these are, that's a nice size bottle. Yeah, I'll actually show it on my grid. You get 3 glitter markers. Oh my God, talk about glitter. Of course, the stamp and dies, which we'll show later. This was actually a free gift in my subscription kit. Some awesome foam squares that are not thick. They're pretty thin, so it just adds enough dimension. 2 samples of their drops. One is in a jewel and one's the glitter. And then of course they're awesome papers. Now their papers are on a European size. Okay, I believe that's A5. So they're not 8.5 by 11. So this video is just going to show in detail what was in the kit, what my thoughts are, and everything else. I will be doing cards with this kit, and I'll explain that in a little bit. So even though these bottles are smaller than the normals, you get a lot. These will last a while, so it's great. You've got 2. This is Sea Breeze in the jewel drops. Now I have the whole line of jewel drops. I don't care. I can have duplicates. This here is a glitter drop, and it's Aquatic Mist. It's really pretty. So you can see they have, their kits are set onto a theme. So it's tranquil blues, and there's butterflies. So you're going to see a lot of butterflies in this. So again, you get these 4 jars of their pure sheen glitter, which I've been wanting to try for so long. And this jar is about 2.5 inches high. There's 9 ounces of this product. These are something very new. I don't have any of these, so these are going to be fun to play with. The 3 colors you get are within the Northern Lights pack. Now these are the type of markers that you need to really shake them. Shake them for a little bit, for like 30 seconds, and then you need to press down to get the liquid, the ink and the dye, whatever you want to call that, flowing through the nib. They are sealed, which is really nice. So you just pull that top tab off and it comes off really easy. So now we're going to violently shake that for a while. And you can see the nib, you do have to push down on that. So I didn't want to show you all of that. So we are going to skip through. I don't think you want to watch me push on a pen. And you can see how the ink will come down on that. These colors are absolutely beautiful. Very jewel, very bright jewel colors. So every time you use them, you always want to shake them and push down to get it going. This is the first color. And I'm actually going to write out the color. So this is Venetian Jade. Now, you can write with them, but again, the nibs are very firm. They're not a sponge nib. So they may take a while to gather up in the ink. So they are a little scratchy when you first write with them, but that's okay. I'm looking at coloring and the different ways that you can use them to color. So the next color in the pack is Purple Passion. And then look at this beautiful raspberry pink. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And it is loaded with glitter. So you get this silver glitter tint to them with the color. So it's not like the glitter is the same color. It's almost like using a glitter pen. They're Nuvo glitter pens on top of your inks. And that's just a close-up of what they look like. So they're going to be fun to absolutely play with. Again, that was a free gift for those little foam squares. And again, they're not super thick like we usually use. They're pretty thin. The papers. That is Ocean Blue, and it's got a weave texture to it. This is Navy Dazzle. It's a pearlescent card, like a shimmer card. It's beautiful. It's got this gray. It's a deep blue with a gray hue going over it. I believe this is powder blue lace. This is one of those specialty papers. I hope you can, it's really tough to get it on camera, but the imprint on that is just beautiful. This one is Duck Egg Toil. Look at that, Rose. Oh, these papers are to die for. This one here is Deep Sea Dive, and it is so textured. Very, very textured. This one here is Iced Petals. Look at that. I am just in love with their specialty papers. And this last one is another weaved texture in teal blue. So you can see the weave textures, the teal blue and the ocean blue, the first one I showed, they are double-sided along with the shimmer paper. The specialty papers are not. They are one-sided. So what I also really liked about this kit is the folder that you get. So if you can get a binder with those two ring sizes, you can keep them in a book and store them on your shelf. So in the kit, you get a stamp set and you get specialty dies in this one. So the stamps, this is a butterfly theme, very aquatic, very majestic, very tranquil, if I can say that word. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you do have those butterfly stamps, and then this is the die set. So you do get the dies that will match the stamps that you have, but this die right here will actually make an easel. So this whole butterfly, you can actually create an easel card. Now that centerpiece with the wings, that's separate. So again, you can create individual cards with it, but that whole outer point creates an easel. So I'll have to figure that out, which will be fun. And then on the other sheet, you get the outline of the butterfly. So again, you don't have to make the easel. You can use this butterfly to do just individual cards. So that's pretty much the kit. I'm going to re-show everything here. But just to let you know, I'm going to bring this in. I've already seen the next month's kit. I am just excited with that. So we'll see how long you can, in the US, we can subscribe to this. You just want to make sure, I'll put the link below. Just want to make sure that you're using the USA link. They do have a monthly subscription charge with, I know with shipping, it's $45. You can sign up quarterly. Now, the quarterly charge is $97, and I believe shipping will be on top of that. I'm not sure if shipping is free. But if you want to check out the website, please look into that. This one was just very inspiring for me. The difference with the dies. The dies are what pulled me in because they are so unique. They are so they're just different to create an easel. So I'm not going to do a 10-card one kit with this one. I know. Boo. But I am going to do a 5-card one kit, 3 at the minimum, but I am going to shoot for 5 cards just to show you exactly what you can do with this. And I also want to show you how you can play with their awesome products. So I hope you're going to enjoy this series that I've pulled in. Leave your comments below. I'll put all links below, and always remember, be creative.